Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush launched for 799 rupees in India. At its Mega IoT launch event today, Realme unveiled a slew of products, including TVs, wireless earbuds, a new smartphone, a 360-degree camera, and more. Alongside all of that, the company also announced the Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush that it says will offer better cleaning in a hygienic and more efficient manner. It's the most affordable electric toothbrush from Realme. Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush features. The Realme N1 Sonic comes with DuPont Stock Clean 99.99% antibacterial bristles that the company claims can effectively prevent bacteria buildup. The bristles also have a blue indicator that fades with time to remind users to replace the brush head, which is made out of food-grade plastic polypropylene, certified by the US FDA. As per the company, this electric toothbrush operates with just 55 decibels of noise, which significantly improves the brushing experience. It comes equipped with an 800 mAh battery that the company claims can last up to 130 days on a single charge, which means it will need only 3 full charges in a year. It charges via a USB Type-C port at the bottom and offers overcharging and over-voltage protection. The N1 Sonic comes with a 20,000 times per minute high-frequency motor for faster and efficient cleaning. The toothbrush offers 3 cleaning modes, including soft, clean, and polish. It can even remind users to switch areas every 30 seconds to ensure a thorough cleaning. It will also auto-stop after 2 minutes of brushing. Finally, the device ships with an IPX7 certification denoting water resistance, which means it can be washed under running water like regular toothbrushes. Price and availability. The Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush will be available in 2 different colors, i.e. blue and white. It is priced at 799 rupees and will be available for purchase on Realme's website and Flipkart, starting the 16th of October at midnight.